Hi everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to use this cool fan I got off the internet. It comes with a remote, power over here. Now here is like the brain of this thing. Then fan 1 is the one that's below. You see it started working. And fan 2 is the one at the top. Swing. Press again, stops. You can also change these things here. You can also move it. And then mist level. Press here and it will start working. Previously, you have to have put some water here. It's a really cool device. Now, as you can see, it's unplugged. Has been previously charged. Now, to make it last longer, what you could do is insert this here. It's connected to my CPU right here. So you'll just connect here. A moment, please. I'll have to use a little bit more strength. Okay. Now it's plugged. When it's all fully charged, it will appear the light green. There you go. Let's see how much water it's got. Still has some water there. Now, one thing to say about this device is that it works well, but um, when you increase the speed, for example, 1 here, and then I want to push again, it starts making noise. And then for the one, the same is for the one at the top. It starts making noise. Now it stops, I think, when you press swing. A little bit, but not so much. Now if it doesn't bother you, that's cool. But I prefer to just set it in 1. The same for the one at the top. When I change it to 1, works much better.